It's time I finally unboxed my Bambu Lab A1 combo. I had a mini for a while, decided I liked it. I had tried other printers before that, and they were finicky. Some people like that. I didn't. I got the mini, then I got this after I realized I wanted an AMS light, something to multicolor print. Also, I got a P1S to unbox. I unboxed the new mini I got yesterday. The audio was horrible. I haven't assembled one of these before. I did assemble a mini before, but not the AMS. But I have now assembled a mini and an AMS. So the AMS is easy. I'm not sure about the A1. Everybody says it's pretty easy. One of those 15 to 20 minute up and printing kind of thing. With a grain of salt. I did this before and it still took me a little bit longer to put together a mini. Just like the mini, it's got the plastic here. You can just pull it straight out. So it even shows you on the box here. That was a handful. I had to have help getting out of the box just because it was so awkward in this tiny room. Basically, you just grab these and pull up, but it helps to have someone to pull the box down. So let's just get this open. Still a great packaging experience, unboxing. You just, unwrap it. And you got layers and layers and layers of stuff here. Bill plate and instructions. Definitely be using those. Okay, we got the safety disclaimer. Basically, probably just says 2 people to unbox it. Warranty leaflet. Good free premium models. And some stickers. I'll put these over here for the rest of the leaflets and things. Okay. Now, let's just get a peep at this and make sure we know what we're talking about here. So it says basically I can unbox it any way I like until then, pretty much. Okay. Take the build plate off because I know they don't want me to do that. They want you to install this before you start working on the printer because it's easier to replace the build plate than it is the whole bed. Throw this stuff in the box. Okay, here's the AMS lights stand. Actually, I want to put stuff over here on the floor until I need it. Here is the spool holders, the 2 yellow and the 2 greens. Here's the AMS light itself. This is better quality cardboard than on the previous, the mini. Okay, I guess I can pull out the single spool holder if I wanted to go that route. I guess you can put both on this one. You can put both on all of them if you print the right stuff. Okay. Put that down here. Let me put the spool holder down here. Or the AMS light. There we go. Safe and sound. I'm carpet. It's safe. Okay. What's this? Cardboard. The gantry. Look at this. Pretty as you please. Yeah, this feels a whole lot better packed. The mini was extremely well packed, but this is even better. I got the just a little starter kit. I got the tugboat, or the pretty much a benchy with a motor. It comes with a motor to put on the benchy you print, pretty much. Here's the assembly kit and the cleaning stuff and greases. Here's the base. Anything stuck in here? Yeah, the power cable. And the poop flinger. Everybody loves a poop flinger. Yeah, little poop flinger. I can go over here where I won't easily lose it. You know, I was really hoping to get some swatches in this, the filament samples. They haven't got one from anywhere. I guess you have to buy them separately now, maybe? PTFE tubes to put the filament in, or attached to the AMS. I guess if you want to do sample filament, 20 grams. I said in the last video, but if you don't watch it, I understand because of the audio. I tried printing the sample scraper on the SD card in this thing. Well, on my mini with this, it wasn't enough filament to do that. I don't know if there's enough filament to actually print anything on the SD card. It probably is. I did try it. It did not work. Power cable can go here. So remove the 4Z axis limiter mounting screws. Here is our screws, and it looks like rubber for something, like feet. Does this thing not have feet on it yet? No, it's got feet. Okay, here's the oils and lubricants and the little Allen wrenches we need. After the first print or two, it'll tell you to use the lubricants. And then you can scan a barcode and it tells you how. It's even got a clog needle here, little needle to undo clogs. Okay, here's the two Allen wrenches. So I'm guessing the big one, which seems to be always the case, is for things during setup. These right here will need to come off. 4 screws. Let's see if I can get a better view. Yeah, these little screws have got to come out. So let's get that done. Let's see if I got an H2 electric screwdriver. I'm not sure if it's advisable or not, but these come off. Wait, what? Did it not come off easily? Hello? Is there more screws I'm not seeing? Oh, that's scary. Okay. I remove all packing foam, cardboard wrapped, and zippers. So this has a cardboard and everything they just said would be on it. Pop it on pop casting equipment. Be very careful not to cut anything of import when you do this. Oh golly, let's see, did I hit anything? No, peel it right on off. Anything here I need to keep an eye on? Nope. I've got to do the same thing to the base here. I should be able to. Yes. After I do this, they want me to put my plate on. Put the build plate on. You know, I want to do that with this on it, because even if it is the expendable part of the printer, I would rather not be forced to replace it either. Nobody told me that's okay to do, but I'm doing it. Tilted, 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 tilted. Well, that was easy. Push the heat bed fully to the front end with where the screen is located. Good job. Open the y-axis cover. Oh, this will be easier on it. Awesome. Open the y-axis cover. Pull out the y-axis cover. Okay, we did it. Install 10 screws for the base housing in the holes highlighted in green. I don't know if you can see the holes highlighted in green. There's 10 of these scattered about here. Install those. Probably with my electric screwdriver, just for expedience sake. It doesn't get it super tight, but I don't think you're supposed to get them super tight. For base housing, found the little screws right here. I'll tighten these up a little bit after I get them in. So yeah, there's I need to do a couple more here, and there's another one here, and over here as well. I believe there's 2. Yeah, at least 2. So we'll get to those in good time. It didn't exactly say if I should tighten them all the way or just a little. I like thorough instructions when it comes to that stuff, other than the screw scare. Okay. It says align the clips. You know what I can't see? The clips. Okay. Is it put together in the front as well? Oh, it is. Look there. I did a thing. Turn the A1 90 degrees onto the rear, its rear, and lay on the edge of a table, which I'll be running cables and hooking them up to their color-coded mates underneath the printer. So this end right here is supposed to be hanging off here. I don't know where to put the bed when I do this. It'll probably move on its own. I mean, it said pull it all the way to the front, so here we are. We're at the front. And this right here has got to go under and in. I would do this on camera to make a better view, but I kind of want to do this right. So just know that I'm hooking this cable right here of all these colors, and to these Can I get that on screen? Sections down here. Oopsie daisy. Oh, there. I knew that was going to happen. It just zoomed right on down. Now, okay. Now you come here, little guy. You feed right down in here. I see where you go. You can't get away from me. Now you slide up in here onto the USB-C port. Tip you right back over. Turn the screen around here for purge wiper. A little screw here. It'll go up in here and take the purge wiper with it. Some small miracle I actually got that purge wiper installed. Okay, time to assemble the AMS light. This isn't that hard. Now I should be able to read these numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means it'll sit like this on here, with the 1, 2, 3, 4 facing upwards. Cool. Now I know where did I put the AMS stand? Here we go. Now, this is plastic. I'd recommend not tightening these down until you get them in and make sure it's not going to be all cattywampus. Spool holders. They're color coded and they are spring loaded somehow. Yeah. If you look inside, you might be able to see how they fit on there. Look at there. Now, that's how they work. A little bit of tension. Okay. Okay. Put it to the right of the printer, it says. And short. 1 and 2. Now this, I know from past experience, goes in here. In the smaller one. Now I take the AMS light cable and attach it back here. There's 2 ports in case you want to multi-print or add extras. Plug it into the closest port. I'm being defeated by the twist tie. Who hasn't? If you were born in the 90s and got any kind of Walmart or Toys R Us, Kmart, Sears toys, you had a fight for your life just to get the toy out of the plastic. Okay, time to remove the overly protective cover I left on this. Okay, now I want to cut this from here and set it up because I don't want to give out my Wi-Fi information and I'm too lazy to edit it out. I'll be back after the first print and we'll go from there. I decided to go with this glow-in-the-dark Bambu PLA. Yeah, first we're going to have to do is quick calibration. After that, the print will start. Well, that didn't take no time at all. These little ghost earrings printed out perfectly. You can't even tell they've been 3D printed, really. Don't plan on wearing them, but they're nice to look at and showed me that this printer could do some detailed work. Overall, I'm very satisfied with my new A1 printer. I'm going to be using the multicolor filaments a lot. I have some Fallout ideas I'd like to try, as well as some D&D things. Anyway, thanks for watching. Tune in next time when I open a P1S.